Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to play MrBeast's new game called Finger on the App and compete for $25,000. Okay, so here we are on the App Store. What you want to do is search Finger on the App. I believe they have this for Android as well, so you could try searching this on the Google Play Store as well. So you want to go ahead and download this app. This is a live game that MrBeast created for a $25,000 challenge. It reminds me of the HQ Trivia Days, that live mobile app game show, but I feel like this will be way bigger. So go ahead and download this. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open it up here. So when you first go to the app, you'll get an introduction. I believe it'll tell you all of this information. You can swipe through it and read more. You're going to enable some settings like notifications and Bluetooth, and you can also get up to 3 extra lives if you play next to a friend with Bluetooth enabled. After that, you'll put in your phone number. They'll text you a security code. You enter that security code and then you should be all signed up, all good to go. And then I'm assuming whoever wins, they will already have that person's phone number and be able to contact them. So how it works is basically you need to hold down your finger on the screen longer than everyone else. So it's battle royale style. The last person to be holding their finger on the screen wins. Actually, one of the most insane concepts I've ever seen. And right now we can go into the practice mode. So this will be what the real game is like. The real game starts in 7 days, 4 hours, 28 minutes. Let's go ahead and open up the practice mode here. You'll see there's a timer. You want to put your finger down on the screen before the end of that timer. You can slide your thumb around and there will be little dots that appear and you have to move your finger onto those. That's going to prevent people from cheating or building bots or setting fake stuff on their screen in order to win. You're going to have to move your finger to those dots. You'll see extra lives, so if you do have Bluetooth enabled and you're playing next to friends, you'll get extra lives there, so if you miss something, you can start up again. You can see there's a little timer for each one of those dots that appears as well. So you move here in 5, 4, 3, 2. You just have to move your finger to that spot before the timer runs out. You'll also see players remaining, so I'm assuming this will be a massive number, like 1 million people or something like that during the real game, and that number will decrease as people lose. You'll see current prize pool 1 cent to $25,000, so there's also a twist. Whenever someone loses, they'll be presented with a slider, and that slider is from 1 cent to $25,000, and they can drag the slider to say however much they want the winner to get. So if they don't want the winner to get any money, they just slide it all the way to the left. If they want the winner to get $25,000, they slide it all the way to the right. And then it's going to take the average of what all people select, and the winner will get that amount. So we've been going for about 2 minutes now. I'm going to release my finger. It's going to say you lost. So that's the game. You don't want to release your finger. The last person standing will win the prize. Now this is a crazy concept. I'm excited to see this, to see what happens. I hope MrBeast puts on a live stream during it that can kind of show the progress. I imagine this thing will go for like over 24 hours or something like that. I'm gonna tap return to home, and you can come in this practice mode as much as you want just to get a feel for it, learn how it plays. And that's it. That's how to play Finger on the App, the new $25,000 game challenge from MrBeast. This is one of the coolest things to come out in a while, in my opinion. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you going to be playing this game? Are you going to try and win? I imagine people will be live streaming this and all kinds of stuff. It should be a crazy live experience. Best of luck to everyone. Like and subscribe if you want to see more mobile app tutorials like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.